Oh man, I really feel the benefit of those air forks on this bike, mate. Like riding on a cushion. Oh, bit of a blockage. Oh yeah, loving that. These tyres aren't great for the hills and the mud, but I got there. Also, oh yeah, I love this, mate. This is my favourite part of the whole trail on the way home. And with the air forks, it's manageable. I can't do it on my Cannondale, it's too rough. And it feels like I'm going to fall over the edge. Just about made it up. Oh yeah, I do love this bit of the trail, mate. Woo. Should have slightly fatter tyres, but fuck it. You only live once, don't you? And if I die now, I'm dying having fun, mate. That's the main thing, innit? Oh, I'm sure you can hear how bumpy it is on the camera, like. But it's fun, mate. It really is. Oh, even my GoPro's handle can't handle it, mate. The stick. Oh, there we go, back again. Bit softer now. It's really muddy, man. I didn't realise that it had rained. Maybe I missed it. Oh, I should have gone down there. Wait. God, that thing's all over the place, mate. Not very stable, the claw for the GoPro, considering it costs $70, mate. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah.
In 200 metres, slide left onto Main Yarra Trail.
Oh, bumpy. I need to work on my lines. But fuck, that was fun.